Hello, pocket check. Got the Emerson Iron Dragon in the pocket today. This thing's awesome. And we got a new knife in the box. Bought this E-Knives. Reeve knife. Sebenza with the forever flag. Very cool. Got the little patriotic Sebenza. Ooh, that is nice. Very smooth. 3.8-inch drop point blade. Magna cut. It's in 2002. Reeve and I think Anne became naturalized citizens of the United States. The U.S. flag is their forever flag now. I think this is awesome. I'm an Army veteran. I like this country too. It's cool they have this forever flag edition. Got the large and Cosi and Tanto Umnums on. Never handled the Sebenza. Super nice. Very smooth. Feels really good in the hand. Definitely going to carry this today. Just a quick unboxing. Super cool. Drop point forever flag. Magna cut. It's a pretty deep engraving. I think it looks awesome. Very nice. Just got the one side stud. Nice. There it is compared with my trusty McBee everyday carry. I think I've been carrying this over 2 years now. Anyway, just a quick video. Nice jimping. Rounded spine. Thin edge there. Very cool. Hope you're having a good day. So it's been about 3 days since I got the forever flag Sebenza. Received it on the 10th, which is a pretty dark day, pretty rough day for a lot of us. It's hard to soak in, but it's a very cold reminder that freedom is not free. Many brave people put everything on the line because they love this country. And we just have to move forward, keep being free, keep honoring the legacy that they left behind. Let it inspire us. Let us strive to be better people. Keep faith and kindness in our hearts in the faces of evil. And make sure those people who wish evil upon us know that we are free. We will not be silenced. We will keep fighting. And that we will take care of each other and our families, no matter what they want to do to us. This flag is a symbol of freedom and liberty for all, not just one group of people, but for every American here. I hope we can move forward peacefully, and we're all in this together. Now, let's keep our hearts full of courage, strength, and love. Thanks for watching.